Okay guys, so if any of your local disk is causing you any kind of errors like it is hanging or some disk is not responding or even not showing this bar which is for space, it means that your disk is not functioning correctly. How you can fix that? What you can do is you can go to cmd, which is the command prompt. When you go to command prompt, then you have to type some commands here. So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to know which of your disk is causing you errors. For example, if in my case it is local disk F, then what I can do is I can type check disk, which is chk dsk, then the drive letter, which is F, then colon. Sorry, you have to give a space here. After that, space again, then /F, then space /R. When you press enter, it might show you that the access is denied. It might mean you're not in the administrative window of the command prompt. What you can do is you can just close it, then type cmd again, then right click on it, run as administrator. When you do that, you can just type the same commands again, chkdsk, then the drive letter, then /F, then space /R. When you press enter, it will examine your local disk and it will tell you if it is any kind of error or bad sector in your disk. And we also define /F here, which will fix errors on the disk, and /R will recover the readable data and locates bad sectors. So yeah guys, this is how you do that. You just have to type this command and then you have to wait till it fixes your errors. Tell me if the error is not fixed. I'll try to reply to every comment.